How to remix backdrop on Runway. In order to do that, scroll down right here on your tools and click on this all tools. Then from in here, just look for the background remix, which is this one. So in here, just click on this. And then from in there, you can add any image that you want. So for example, let's choose to add this picture right here of a dog. So you can head over and then click on that right here and upload that using your asset. Now from in here, you can also see that you have a right sidebar. So you have the option to change the style or anything that you want. You can also just upload a new image right. So for example, for this case, let's head over and then just choose this. Then may open it, and as you can see, this will upload. Now once it's done uploading, you should be able to see it added right here. Now in here you have the settings. You can put in here a bakery, a coffee shop. You can put in here any backdrop. So for example, for this case, let's head over and then choose in here kitchen set. And then from in here, you can also set the scene, which is this one is actually optional. Then from in here, click on this generate option. Now this will remix the backgrounds that you have on the original photo that you have. So once it's downloading, as you can see, you have this 4 prompts right here or 4 samples that you can choose from. So you can head over and then just choose one and then download that using this sign. So that's how you remix backdrop on Runway. Hope we help.